Welcome. In this video I will show you how to make your ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X work faster. First of all, adjust the power modes for your device in Armory Crate application. To do so, press the Xbox button, then open your Armory Crate app. Something didn't work. Okay, once the application opens, you have to go to the settings tab in the top left corner of the screen, then select performance, and in performance you have three different gaming modes for your device. I recommend using turbo when your device is plugged in to the power source to ensure the best CPU and GPU performance and minimize lags and maximize FPS in games. The performance mode balances power and battery life on your device, and silent mode conserves battery with less performance on your device. Also, in the same menu, you can go to GPU settings and either manually assign more video memory to your GPU. So as you can see, you can select up to 16G or 16 gigabytes, or you can just select auto option and let your device decide for itself how much RAM memory it dedicates to a specific game. Also, check the AMD software application on your device. Open it. Inside, go to gaming, select graphics. Make sure that you have Hyper-RX enabled, and also swipe down and make sure that the Radeon Anti-Lag feature is enabled as well. And besides, what you also can do is update your Windows and software, including drivers for your device. To update your device, to update your Windows and the most basic things on your device, you have to go to settings. On the sidebar, select Windows Update, check for updates, enable auto updates if you want your device to update itself regularly. Go to advanced options. In advanced options, go to optional features, and if you have any updates here, then of course download and install them. Besides, check my ASUS application. It should be pre-installed on your device, and inside go to system update and let your device check for any available updates, and if it finds any, of course download and install them too. And besides, go to Armory Crate application again, and here let's go to Update Center, and in Update Center make sure that everything, all the device and components and everything else is up to date, and also enable auto updates here by switching this toggle on, and check for updates from time to time by clicking this button right here. And that's basically all the tips I had for you in this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.